$100 a day with Instagram affiliate marketing. I will show you all this in a step-by-step manner, so watch this video till the end in order to get very important information. Affiliate marketing is the best business model out there for the beginners. You do not need to have any inventory or any prior experience to get started with affiliate marketing. So let's look at our first step, that is select your niche and product. For selecting your niche and product, I recommend you to work on only fitness, wealth, relationship or spirituality niche. Just pick up any of the niche and you're good to go. And for selecting or looking at the niche, I recommend you to visit clickbank.com. It is actually a free marketplace. Just create your account and move to the affiliate marketplace. From here you will see there are different types of categories out there, and you can pick up any niche that I have recommended to you, like fitness, wealth, relationship, spirituality. Let's suppose if I open up a niche, e-business and e-marketing, it is actually a wealth or make money niche. Just sort those products using gravity. Now you can select different products. This is the average dollar per sale and this is a gravity. So just pick up a product that offers you a decent affiliate commission, at least $40 or $50 per sale, and that also has a good gravity, at least 50 gravity. So just I am just picking up a product here for the purpose of this video. Let's suppose if I select this product, Super Affiliate System by John Crestani. This product offers you $485 affiliate commission and it has a gravity of above 50. So this is our recommended product. Just click on promote. Once you log into your ClickBank account, you will see your nickname here. Just nickname here, get your affiliate link. I recommend you to go by default, generate hop links. Now your link has been generated. Copy that link and move to a place, tinyurl.com. Just paste your link here because the link you have taken is ugly and tinyurl will make it much pretty. Just click on make tinyurl. Your URL is now ready. Copy that URL and save that URL into your notepad. Now let's move to our next step, that is create your page. Make sure that you should select your niche relevant name. Let's suppose your page is related to make money niche, so you should pick up a name related to make money. Bio to be filled. This is your bio section. Just fill it properly. I recommend you to visit 3 to 4 related profiles and just look at those profiles, how they have filled their profile. Just take an idea and fill out your profile. Logo from Canva. Just create your logo from Canva or put your picture here. If you do not want to put your show your face in front of your audience, you can just create a logo from canva.com. It is free. How to put up your profile? Just click on edit profile. And here your name, username, website, here you need to paste that link that you have taken from tinyurl.com. Just copy that link and paste that link into the website section. Bio, just write few lines and add few emojis. Just right click on emoji and select the relevant emoji and paste that emoji into that section. Put your email here and click on submit and you are good to go to use your Instagram profile. Now let's move to our third step, that is find related pages. Those pages should have at least 50k followers and note it down. Just move to Instagram, write it down like your niche is make money. If your niche is health and fitness, just search for health and fitness. So just open up related top 5-6 profiles: income pusher, make money, millionaire, make money. Just open up these profiles. 30,000 followers, so it is a good profile. 75,000, this is again excellent profile. 400 followers, ignore this. 273 followers, ignore this. And 956 followers, ignore this. Just compile 4 to 5 profiles and note it down, because these profiles will help you to find content or ideas about how to work on your page. Now let's move to our next step, that is step 4. Find viral content that is performing 3 times the average. Now let's move to these profiles and search for the content. Let's suppose 2400 likes, 2000 likes, 1760 likes, 1500. So you can see that there are on average 2000 likes on each post. So as per our requirement, content that is performing 3 times the average. So we should look at those images that are getting 5000 to 6000 likes. So 2000 average, so if we take 3 times multiple, so it means 6000, 5000 to 6000. So just pick up the post that is getting 6000 likes. So as you see that this post has received over 6000 likes, so just download that image. And now look at other images. So 6008, this is again meet our criteria. 9000, this is really relevant to us. So that's how you can look at the viral post. You need to visit different profiles on a regular basis and look for these viral posts. And once you find these viral posts, download their images. Now move to our next step, that is step 5. Upload that content on your own page 3 to 5 times a day. Credit to the owner. Now you need to upload that images into your own Instagram page. Make sure that you are using or reposting some other people's content. So properly giving credit to these people is necessary, and it is safe way to use. You can definitely repost Instagram images on your page. So there is no problem in doing this. Let's suppose if someone don't like this, he or she is going to contact with you and he asks you to down that image. It is very rare, but you can expect. But definitely you can repost their images into your own Instagram profile. So if you are using that images, you make sure that properly giving credit to these images is important. Now let's move to our 6th step, that is use low competitive hashtags, less than 1 million posts. Let's suppose you have uploaded an image and now you are searching for the hashtags. Let's suppose your post is related to affiliate marketing. So just search for affiliate marketing and look at these hashtags. Over 1 million posts, so just ignore this post. Less than 1 million would be great. Affiliate marketing training, less than 1 million posts, so just use this hashtag into your post. 26,500 affiliate marketing tips, so this is again good one. Affiliate marketing business, 11,629 posts. So that's how you can find different hashtags and you can use these 10 to 15 hashtags into your post. So if anyone search these hashtags onto the Instagram platform, there is a chance that you would get organic visitors from our Instagram as well. As your profile is new, so don't use hashtags that are over 1 million. It is actually a make money niche, so you are not finding hashtags over 1 million. But if you are working on a health, fitness or other popular niches, definitely you will find a lot of hashtags which are getting more than 1 million posts. So make sure in those niches you should pick up hashtags that has less than 1 million posts. So that's how there is a chance that at the start you will get organic traffic from the platform as well. Now let's move to our next step, that is how to grow your followers. Definitely once you have followers you can earn money. And how you can grow your followers, there is one very popular method, follow unfollow method. How you can use follow and unfollow method, just visit different profiles. Let's suppose this is the post, or let's suppose this is the post, over 8,000 people have liked it. Just click on that post and now click on that likes. So these are the people who have actually liked that post, so they are really interested in make money niche. So what you can do, just click on follow, 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 follow. Make sure you do not follow more than 30 people a day. This is really important, because if you do this at the start, there is a likely chance that your profile or your page would get banned. Once your profile get aged, then definitely you can increase this number like 50 followers a day after 15 days. So make sure you do not do bulk at the start. Once you reach your profile to 10,000k, then definitely you do not need to do this method, as you will start getting organic followers very quickly. So at the start you need to do this. That's how you can increase your followers. And once you increase your followers, definitely those followers would interest your recommended product, as you have already added your recommended product into your profile section. So let's suppose this is your profile section. So once they visit your profile and they click on your recommended product, this is your ClickBank's product. If anyone click on that link and buy that product, you will earn affiliate commission. That's how you can make money from Instagram using affiliate marketing. That's really simple. You need more followers, and once you increase your reach, you are increasing your followers base, definitely you will start making consistent sale on Instagram. Now let's move to our step 8. Monetize it, direct linking, or create your funnel. At the start I recommend you to just paste your affiliate link here, but once you get more advanced, you can also paste your landing page link here or opt-in page link here. So if anyone who click on that page will actually move to the opt-in form. That opt-in form is connected to your autoresponder, and once they provide their email address, you can store their email addresses into your autoresponder. So what you can do, you can follow up those people later on. So that's how you can grow your email list, and every successful entrepreneur has a large email list. So that's how you can get their targeted email list, and you can promote whatever thing you want. So it is up to you whether you want to use direct linking, or you can gather your email, or you wanted to gather email addresses. I recommend you to at the start just use direct linking, but with the passage of time, once you become more advanced user, you can set up your funnel and direct those visitors to your landing page. So I hope you have covered, or you have liked all these steps, and this is all step-by-step manner. Just do it one step at a time. And if you like this video, don't forget to like button. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. If you wanted to use my favorite earning method online, then I have placed that link in the description box. That's all for today. Thank you.